Well, I'm going to ask the question and hopefully answer it of why write. In a time when it's so much easier to play words with friends or to binge watch Breaking Bad. For those of you who came here who are interested in exploring the Newport MFA program, you must have thought that yourself. Why write? For lonely little girls? For confused teens? For broken-hearted adults? For Galileo, books were a way of having superhuman powers. The only way to do it, and the only way to get discipline, is to figure out your real commitment parts. If you have the passion, you find the time. You make the time. Why write?